What's more annoying than a loose paver?
I don't know, what's more annoying?
2 loose pavers. Sika's Pave Fix is a bit of a lifesaver, to be honest. If you're keen to do your own paving, you need a product to ensure it's going to stay looking good through weather, impact and time.
How many times have we seen amazing paving jobs come completely unstuck after just a few weeks?
Totally, it's so sad to see all that work just come unstuck. Until now. Sika's Pave Fix is the only solution to creating permanent, self-setting joints. No more floaty pavers in sand that keeps creeping out. Sika's Pave Fix will lock it down for good.
And the other thing I really like about Pave Fix is it eliminates weed growth and those annoying ants' nests that keep popping in between too.
And to be honest, it's so easy to apply. Just broom Pave Fix between pavers, compact down and remove the excess.
Who would have thought it was that easy to get such great results for outdoor paved areas? I wish we had heard about this product years ago.
And for fine gap joints between 2 and 4 millimeters, try using Sika Block Fix. It's perfect. Sika, building trust.